Alright, we've got my assistant, Miss Karishma Prabhakar, also looking. Where are you looking? You're looking at the road.
No.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. It's sunny but cold and they are expecting snow flurries probably from 11 to 3 this afternoon. Okay, I've got my fancy Olympus binoculars with me. Now these binoculars are not used to spy on anyone or look into anyone's house. These binoculars are used by me to look at the beautiful Hudson River and New York skyline. It's such an amazing view. When we pay rent every month, I always say that half the rent is only for this view. And when you're living in New Jersey, the view you get of New York is better than those living in New York, what view they get. I mean, they only look at boring New Jersey, but we get to see all of that. And just check out the view, guys, with the winter kind of vibes. It doesn't do justice, trust me. When you see it from my window, my living room, all the bedrooms face New York, Manhattan, the Hudson River. Now today's video, the binoculars are out for a reason, okay? We have heard from the news that there is a humpback whale in the Hudson River, and they've spotted the whale in the evening on Monday one day near Pier 83, and they've also spotted the whale on Tuesday, which was yesterday. So today is Wednesday when I'm shooting this video, and I've been with the binoculars all parts of the morning just to see if I can spot anything. I don't have a great zoom lens camera, but I'll try to get something. If the whale shows up nearby, I can see the ripples of the water and I can see the boats and everything very clearly. It's a very good binocular. This is the Olympus 10 by 50 DPS 1. So it's a proper binocular by Olympus brand, and I'm just waiting and watching for the whale. And I thought, let me also involve you guys, because I'm not going on the river because that's a bit too close. But when you're looking from far, like where I am, you get to see a larger perspective. So I'm continuously watching, and hopefully, 1 in a million chance of me spotting it. But check out Google and YouTube. There are videos of this humpback whale. It's been spouting water at the Hudson River, and I hope the whale is not sick or injured, because sometimes these whales come into these rivers or rivulets more when they're not well. They don't go into the deep oceans. So I hope the whale is fine and not really injured or sick or about to die, because that'll be very sad. And I've only seen whales in Disneyland when we went to Disney World in Florida. That's the time I saw the shamu and the whales and all those. But to see a whale in its own nature, a humpback whale, I would love to. So I thought, let's make this quick video. I mean, you know me, I try to vlog whatever I'm thinking or whatever I'm doing. It's not pre-planned. It's not like vlogs like a Hindi movie script where you write the script and then make the vlog. For me, it's like if the camera is charged, I start vlogging. So I'm still looking. As of now, no luck. I'm currently looking at the upside of the Hudson River near the Bronx, and now looking towards Midtown. I can see some beautiful boats again. I can see the boat docks and everything. And now looking downtown. Downtown is too far. Basically, I won't be able to see anything. But with the binoculars, it's really close, I mean, it looks far from the camera angle, but actually the camera doesn't do justice. We can see things much closer.
Where was it last spotted? Off the Intrepid, right, you said?
Yeah, 83. No, but it's clear, right? You think we'll be able to spot something?
I don't know, it really has to be rearing its head up, I guess. It's exciting.
So Karishma is now trying her best to look. It is like two kids with a toy, trying to spot a whale. It's fun. By the way, if you guys don't know, we were both biology students, Karishma and I. So zoology, biology, so we love all these things. So whale spotting. Maybe we should go to the pier on the weekend and check instead of
Maybe
Christmas.
by then it may have already swum back into the sea.
Yeah, but it's a humpback, so it's been spouting water, and also you can actually see the water spouting.
Yeah.
You
it
couldn't
can.
see anything?
No.
It's quite sunny.
It's a sunny, clear day. It's flat, so I doubt. It seems weird. I think it's too much to expect.
The kids are in their school setup, so we don't want to disturb them. But let me also have a look since Karishma is doing the camera. It's actually clear, Karishma. You can see each wave.
Yeah, it's clear.
So guys, if you don't know this, the Hudson River freezes in winter. You'll see ice on the river. I can see the boat, people on the boat too very clearly, on the ship. So that means I can easily see.
No, you can, because you can see the whole surface of the water also super clear. So
Yeah.
if there's anything that's sticking out or
I can see the
a spout, you'll be
smoke
able to
out of the New York City buildings. So yeah, guys, we don't use these for spying at anyone. It's only for watching the nature watch of the Hudson River. Anyway, Karishma's feeling cold, so I'll let her go. Karishma, you want to say bye to my subscribers?
Bye guys.
It's a weekday, so Karishma's pretty busy with work.
I'm heading back. Back
Okay.
to the salt mines.
Yeah, so guys, today's video is just about whale spotting because we are so bloody curious about this whale. It's like, when you see a dog or a puppy on the road, that same kind of feeling. And, I just love, I was a zoology botany student before the MBA. And we used to be dissecting frogs and earthworms and all these, things which usually you don't get a chance to do. It was just amazing. So now watching this whale, and if we see it, and I've been watching it on YouTube too, you can check it out on the Google or YouTube, the humpback whale of Hudson River. I don't want to put any screenshots or anything here and get copyright issues. But I'm going to keep looking, and if I spot something, I'll make even another video or Instagram post. Another small piece of good news, one of my subscribers from New Jersey, he's in Princeton, his name is Preet. Okay, so Preet has bought a yellow Jeep, and I'm so happy. He stays a little far from us, so we've not met yet. We're going to meet one of the weekends. He texted me some time ago and sent a picture of his Jeep, which I will insert here. But congratulations, Preet, on your new Jeep Wrangler. I'm so happy that one of my subscribers who watches my videos and in New Jersey, you know, it's so rare to have subscribers around where you live, New Jersey, New York. But I met Dhaval, I met some others, I'm meeting Preet also soon. And the best part is Preet has a Jeep, a yellow. So there's Shradul Nayak, who's also a subscriber. He's in New Jersey. He has a Triumph Tiger. And now Preet has a yellow Jeep. Hope you like the Jeep, and we'll make a separate video about his Jeep, and I'll also put some clips on Instagram and tag him. So yeah, congrats Preet. Welcome to the Jeep Wrangler world. Looking forward to driving around with you somewhere at least. Let's plan it out. Okay guys, today's video was just short and sweet. We are busy with our work life. 23rd onwards is holidays for us, so then we can have some more outdoorsy kind of videos in New York and showing you the Christmas decorations, all subject to COVID lockdown rules. But we will definitely plan more of the outdoor stuff in the Jeep and in New York and all that stuff. Alright guys, signing out. Take care. Please like, share, subscribe. Hope you like this video. Alright, bye.